So, do you want your videos to look clean and professional without you spending hours to edit? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple, powerful CapCut edits you should always add to your videos. They are quick, easy, and will instantly make your content stand out. Hi, and welcome back again. My name is Cynthia Patrick, and on this channel, I share self-development tips, productivity tips, anything that can help you grow better and faster as a creator. So if you're new here, please do not forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Now let's look at the 5 edits I'm about to show you. So first on my list is sound. You already know that I'm going to talk about sound because with the right sound, your video will automatically pop. When I'm talking about sound, I'm not talking about music. I'm talking about the sound effects in your video editing app or software. I'm talking about the clicks, the pop, the camera shutter, the swipe, the opening pages, and all of that. I love it when I'm watching a video and something automatically pops up on the video and it grabs my attention. When I mean grabs my attention, it says pop. Yeah, it literally tells you that something has popped out in regards to it just popping out and just being there. So to get any sounds to add to your video, you already know, if you're a community member, you know the app we use to edit our videos, and that app is no other than CapCut. Yeah, so if you're using CapCut's editing software or app, you can literally go to your audio. On the audio, you're gonna see sound effects. There you have thousands and tons of sounds that you can use for your video. But if you still don't know how to get around this, I'll show you a quick sample of how you can do that. Once in the CapCut app, just tap on audio and go over here to sounds effects, then pick from their free library. As you can see here, we have various types, from trending to hits to TikTok, new, ASMR, vlogs, and all kinds of sounds here. Make sure to just choose the best one for your video. Now that is how to get sounds to add to your videos. You know those sounds that you've been admiring from your favorite creators? There you can get it. So make sure to add sounds to your videos, because even a simple whoosh when you're transitioning can make your video 10 times better. Now my darling, let's talk about text and titles. Always label your videos with clear text and titles. A lot of people multitask when they're watching videos, or their mind can just go off. So you want to bring back their mind and keep them engaged, keep them glued to your video by simply adding text and titles. That way they can know where they are, where the video is, and where it's going. You see text and titles, I don't think I have ever shot and edited a video without adding it, because literally guys, it's so important. Now for you my darling who do not know how to add text to your videos, let's head over to the CapCut app. So now in your CapCut app, you just want to click on the text feature right here, and as you can see, we have add text and a lot. So click on add text and just add your text like I'm adding right now. I'm just saying, please subscribe to this channel, please, and thank you. So after writing my text, I just quickly choose the styles. Do I want it to appear in this color? Okay, that's fine. Then I go over to fonts and check out the various types of fonts that we have here. Oh, I love this one. Let me just add it to my favorites. Yeah, there. So I'm going to choose more. I'm just selecting and seeing how the fonts appear. You can just stick with 1 or 2 fonts, so that way when people see your channel thumbnail, they know it's you. So after that, I'm just going to change the color in styles by choosing this color, and I can also go to effect to choose how I want it to appear or change the color again. Depends. I just play around with the app, and I think this looks nice. Yeah, so I'm going to go over here to animation. Yeah, if you don't know, you can also add animation to your text. That way it appears stylishly, and I think this is nice. So yeah, that's what we have here. So yeah, that's simple. Add text, choose your font, and keep it simple and easy to read. And please don't do too much with it. Add fonts that we can easily read, because there's some fonts that are so hard to read what is written. In as much as I love good edits, I don't like a video or love a video to be overly edited before I can't even concentrate. Like, the editing is just too much. So easy on the edits, because I see some creators and they edit and I'm like, okay, we know you've learned learned it, so tune it down a bit. I'm also talking to my students. Some of my students that have taught on video editing, the way they're editing their videos now, I mean, I'm looking at it, I'm like, girl, literally, they want to show the whole world that yes, I've arrived, I can now edit my videos, which is literally an amazing thing. But I mean, just, you know, all right, let's talk about background music. Are you aware that a light track in the background of your video keeps the audience hooked, especially when you take those silent pauses? So there's so many ways you can get your background music, but for YouTube, I pay close attention to it because I don't want to be copyrighted. You see, YouTube, they don't joke with their copyrights. You post anyhow video, anyhow music, they will copyright you and you might end up losing your channel, and you do not want that. Be very careful with how you outsource your videos, your music, or your videos or whatever. Make sure they are non-copyrighted. If you want to be on the safe hand, on the safer side, use the YouTube free music in the studio library. That 100% free you can use on your videos and you will never get copyrighted for it. All right, now so let me walk you through on how you can actually add background music to your videos in the CapCut app. Now, to add background music, just click on audio, and right here you can see the extract option, sound, and all of that. You can choose to extract your audio into the CapCut app. Extract means maybe an audio you've already screen recorded, so all you have to do is just extract it into the CapCut app. And you can also choose the sound, the inbuilt sounds in the CapCut app, but you have to be careful because with YouTube, some of them get copyrighted. One tip for you: after adding your background music, make sure you reduce it to 10 to 15%. That way it doesn't overpower your voice. Number 4 has to be effects for me. You see, effects, one thing about it is that it can literally change the whole mood and vibe of your video. But then again, you want to use them wisely because just a little goes a long way. For example, adding a glow or color filter or a little bit of makeup, or you know, retouching your face without overdoing it, just to make your video look polished. Now, to add effects, click on effects feature, video effects. Then you can see all types of effects right here, from trending to new to intros and outros to Halloween to party. I mean, literally tons of effects that you can add to your videos. So I'm just like playing around with them. You see this fire effect, which is literally fire. I mean, there are lots of effects, so all you have to do is just take your time. Literally just take your time to choose among the varieties and tons of effects that we have already inside of the CapCut app. All right, so finally we have keyframe. Are you seeing what's happening right now? Yes, that is keyframe. I just started using this one and it has literally, I mean, improved my video quality and the edits, and I love it, so I just wanted to add it. I don't know if you like it too, but it's engaging, it's just nice. So with keyframes, this is where your videos start looking professional. Keyframes allows you animate objects, text, or even zooms. I mean, it gives off this cinematic moves in a video. Instead of you just zooming your video like the one we have in the CapCut app, the effect zoom, you can just want it to have a little bit of, you know, that cinematic feel like you're watching a movie. It just comes slowly, goes back, and all of that. Now let's head over to the CapCut app so I can show you how you can do this one, but you have to pay close attention because this one is a bit critical. Now for keyframe, all you have to do is just tap the video you want to keyframe on, and you will see a diamond icon just above here will appear. Then just tap on the diamond icon to set a starting point. Pinch your video on the screen, just move it forward a bit, then adjust the position or size. Just keep moving it forward bit by bit and adding keyframes. You can move it backward as well. Automatically CapCut will create a smooth motion between them. Then you can use this for all your zoom ins, moving text, or creative transition. Right, so use this for your zoom ins, moving text, or creating a transition. There you have it. These are 5 edits that I feel like you should just add to your videos whenever you're editing that can automatically elevate your video. So let's recap. We have sounds, text and titles, background music, effects, and keyframes. Each one looks so simple, but together they make your videos stand out and look professional. Alright, so if this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments which of these edits are you most excited to try. And of course, subscribe for more CapCut and YouTube tips. This channel is called The Growth Community, so let's grow together, and I'll see you on the next one.